You often see this type of reel or short on social media. Today, in this video, I will tell you how to create these types of YouTube shorts and how you can make money from them. So, watch until the end. First, open your browser, search for WOXO, and open the first website. Then, click on Sign Up. You can log in with your Google or Facebook account, so log in as desired. After logging in, you will see the dashboard. Here, you have multiple social media platforms, such as TikTok, Instagram, and more. At the bottom, you will see a product option. When you click on this, you will see two more options, one for videos and one for a ChatGPT plugin. If you have a ChatGPT Plus plan, you can directly generate videos from ChatGPT using WOXO. This feature is quite amazing. However, for now, I don't have the ChatGPT Plus plan, so we will skip this. Now, return to the dashboard and select your desired option. I want to create a YouTube short, so I choose that. Next, write your prompt. Before writing your prompt, you need to pay attention to these two things. 1. Start by specifying the number of videos you want to make. For example, start with create 10 videos. Remember that you can make a maximum of 10 videos per prompt. 2. Define the topic you want to talk about. Your prompt should be structured like this. When you write your prompt, you will see a settings icon. Click on this to access more options. You have various topics to choose from, so select any of them. Next, we have backgrounds. There are a lot of options, so select any of them. Then, choose the language, select English, and pick a voiceover option. Adjust the text settings as needed. Lastly, if you have the premium version of WOXO, you can add your logo and custom fonts. After changing all the settings, click on Generate and wait a few seconds. Now, you will see the AI create shorts according to your prompt. Click on one of them, and you will see that the AI has added captions, a voiceover, and images according to your short.
Empire in 476 AD, Martinez.
It also writes a title, description, and hashtags. I chose a custom prompt and generated a script using ChatGPT. Now, I'm going to paste it here and adjust some settings. Let's see the result.
Imagine a world where artificial intelligence...
And the results are amazing. So that's how you create shorts using this AI tool. Create shorts with this tool, upload them to your YouTube channel, and start earning money. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for the latest updates on AI. Thanks for watching.